My name is Hetal. My full name is Hetal Avivasi, and I'm basically a local of Mumbai. But currently, I'm residing in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, as I'm working here with Wokhart Group. So the Wokhart Group school, basically, and we are into the IB curriculum, basically. And I head the primary division, that is the PYP block of the school. At the same time, I'm also teaching German to the middle years and the diploma program. So that is at the beginner level. Overall, I would say that in my 17 years of career span till now, which I have spent, I think, almost 99% of it with IB schools, a little bit with the non-IB schools. But yes, what I have understood throughout is that with the changes in the education now, every little thing matters. It's not just the core subjects which was there when we were studying, but everything matters a lot these days. Yeah.
When they learn music at their young age, so they have few benefits with them.
Yes, definitely. There are a lot of benefits, when you start teaching children something at a young age. Now, we are specifically talking here about music, something which I think right from the time you're born, you're listening to it, but slowly, जैसे आपकी age बढ़ती है, you start understanding, oh, this is, music.
Exactly.
So what happens is that I will talk to you now in terms of the early years education also that I have been a part of, and starting my career also with that. What I noticed was that any habit that you build up in the children, that is taken up very positively. तो जब हम बड़े हो जाते हैं, adults में कोई habit build up करना मुश्किल होता है, but right from childhood it is easier. So that's the same with music, especially when the children are quite young as 2.5 years old. So जब आप एक kindergarten school में जाएंगे, so वहाँ पे you will notice when the children are crying, they play rhymes for them so that they settle down. Now see, that is music. Okay, slowly start bringing in those percussion instruments for the children, जिसको आप उनको सिखाना शुरू करते हैं, that you tap it on your palms, or clapping, tapping. So this is the way we start building up via music their math understanding and foundation. Because patterns are something which fall into math as well. So हम उसका foundation music से शुरू करते हैं, because when the children start understanding, this is the rhythm, this is the pattern, and this is what I'm going to follow, and from there we build upon. And now with the changes coming up in education, I think that a lot of students also build up habits of picking up an instrument or maybe learning vocal music, because that helps them to focus further.
Yes.
There are different kind of learners. So अगर आप उनकी learning style भी देखेंगे, and if you go to a specialized say a counselor or somebody who specialized in the field of giving guidance to the students who have different learning styles, there they will definitely emphasize to you कि आप इनको music में focus कराइए, किसी चीज में कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट इनको आप लर्न करना सिखाइए, so that the child can start looking at their own self in a very different perspective, in a different way.
Right.
So I think it is very important कि बचपन से उनको सिखाया जाए. That is important.
Exactly. Okay, so when parents want to introduce music to their young kids, so they have three choices: whether they should introduce instrument to their kids, they should introduce singing or vocals to their kids, or they should choose both and introduce to their kids. So as per your experience or as per your choice, which is the best way for the parents to start with their kids? Instrument, vocals, or instrument plus vocals both?
See, I think to begin with, early age पे तो you should give them exposure to both.
Okay.
Right now, see, if we are talking about children who are very very young, say 5-6 years old, nowadays तो वहाँ पे भी लोग बच्चे करिश्मा कर देते हैं, playing an instrument. But उनको छोटे छोटे instruments दीजिए, जो percussion instruments हैं. कई बार होता है ना, जब हम छोटे थे तो I remember that नानी के यहाँ पे वो हमें बजाने मिलता था कीर्तन में, yeah, the shakers, and कई बार वो typical जो मंदिर में use करते हैं, कई बार bells होते हैं. But I think exactly, but that is actually giving you an idea कि what are you getting into, एंड जब आप उनको सिंगिंग के लिए भी ट्रेन करना शुरू करते हैं, जैसे स्कूल्स में तो कंपल्शन होता है दैट यू हैव टू अटेंड द म्यूजिक लेसन टिल सर्टेन एज. सो व्हेन यू आर अटेंडिंग इट, दैट इज द टाइम जब व्हेन यू स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग कि whether I'm enjoying the music class or not. सेकेंड थिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स पे कहाँ पे मुझे इंटरेस्ट आ रहा
हाँ.
है, एंड विद द एज ग्रोइंग उस टाइम पे जाके आई थिंक एज पेरेंट्स, एज फैमिलीज एंड द स्टूडेंट हिमसेल्फ, डिपेंडिंग ऑन देयर एज, दे रियलाइज एम आई रियली मेड फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर इंस्ट्रूमेंट या ओनली सिंगिंग, और आई कैन डू बोथ ऑफ इट. And I think from there, what enhances is that you start honing the skill which you have identified in yourself. But early exposure to, I think that it's like a playground.
Okay.
Go and explore everything. What you find best.
Yes.
It should be open to all the children, I guess.
Yeah. So, when you were in this age, so were you involved with music or instrument or vocals, ma'am?
Yeah, totally. So, in fact, you know what? I have also won certain singing awards in my school.
Okay.
But today, if you ask me to sing, I think I myself will not agree to you कि I have, done that. क्योंकि I was exposed to those things at that time. स्कूल में हमें तबला भी सिखाते थे, ठीक है, आप सीखो, आप प्ले नहीं कर सकते, फाइन, बट वी हैव टॉट यू द बेसिक्स, दिस इज हाउ इट इज, बट yes, after that possibly उस टाइम पे going back almost 30 years back when you look at it, and family के that आप मैथ पे फोकस करो, साइंस पे फोकस करो, करियर क्या करना है, so I think वो धीरे धीरे फेड आउट होते होते what happens is that you stop looking at yourself with that lens. राइट, बट एक्सपोजर तो मिला था, राइट. तो आज भी वो है कि हाँ, इफ यू गेट अ चांस, व्हाई नॉट प्ले एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट, लर्न एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट, राइट.
So when you were introduced with tabla, yes, am I right, ma'am? So were you taught also how to read the notation also, or you were like taught only basic stuff, how to play?
See, this is very very long time back when I was doing my primary schooling, so I can say grade 3, 4 या 5 का मुझे जो याद होगा, they had, I remember that the teacher used to tell us, that what are the notations like, the very basic one. तो जब आप तबला पे प्ले करना शुरू करते हो, so right from your fingers to your arm, how are you placing it? So they used to teach us in that detail that वो कैसे लगना चाहिए.
Exactly.
ना उसके बाद में फिर है कि जिसने पिक कर लिया, and who was just around is still, I think thinking only कि exactly क्या किया था मैंने.
So on the same thing, I would like to ask you, ma'am, when students learn music, whether it can be instrument, any instrument I can say, so they have a particular kind of a notation which we have to read and play. Like for example, if we are taking piano, so we have staff notation or symbolic form of the notes. So we read and play. So I am putting one condition in front of you. We have two students. Both students have same interest in music, but one is getting the opportunity to learn how to read and play, and one is learning by ear and playing. So what do you think, whose musical development will be better? The one who is involved with reading and playing, and the one who is not involved with reading, only playing by ear?
See, I think I wouldn't say any one, both of it. Because see, for me, my perspective as an educator, these are two learning styles, different styles. So one student is, someone who's reading it and understanding visually, उनको समझ में आ रही है वो चीज और वो register कर रहे हैं. But the other one possibly is an auditory learner, who's listening to it, registering it and playing it. It's then that आप उस skill को आगे ले जा करके आप उसको कैसे और enhance कर रहे हो, it is on that. But at the moment they are both at the same level.
Okay, fine. So when student learn instrument, so in generally in schools we have keyboard, we have guitars, and we have drums. These three instruments are like everywhere in the schools. So what do you think, which instrument they should choose when they are newly introduced with music and the students are young also?
See, again, it is very school specific question, because there are certain schools where you'll find, and I have worked also for certain schools where we had many more instruments available. शायद मैं आपको exact name ना बता पाऊँ because of my limited knowledge of it, but I have seen like ukuleles थे या percussion instruments जैसे छोटे बच्चों के लिए थे. तो I think that when the music teacher is around and आप जब स्कूल के करिकुलम को आगे लेके जाके बात करते हो, तो जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स की स्किल्स भी है वो ग्रेजुअली ग्रो होनी चाहिए.
Exactly.
So teach the children right from the early years. 4-5 के एज से उनको परकशन इंस्ट्रूमेंट से लेकर के क्लैपिंग टैपिंग के जो रिदम्स है उससे आगे लेके जाके देन यू स्टार्ट एक्सपोजिंग देम टू एवरीथिंग. फिर देन देर इज अ स्टेज व्हेन द चाइल्ड विल बी मे बी घर के इंटरेस्ट से या एट स्कूल ही हैज देन पिक्ड अप अ पर्टिकुलर इंस्ट्रूमेंट. ये भी हो सकता है कि वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट स्कूल में है ही नहीं, बट घर से उस बच्चे ने सीखा है, कहीं पे देखा है, जिद करके लिया है, बट देन ही इज बिकम अ ग्रैंड मास्टर इन दैट. सो अगेन आई थिंक इट इज वेरी चाइल्ड स्पेसिफिक, स्कूल स्पेसिफिक, both the things.
Okay. So, ma'am, may I know which subject you teach?
I teach German. I'm a language teacher.
Okay, so you are a language teacher. So what I think is, you are dealing with all ages of student, like maybe they are small, mid-level school or
Yes.
senior school.
Yes.
So
Yes.
on the same thing, I would like to ask you, when like few students share their stories with you, or they share with you that they are dealing with stress. Stress can be related to studies or their personal life. So do you recommend them to listen specific type of music or music?
Yes. So कुछ एज ग्रुप्स में आई थिंक ये थोड़ा सा डिस्ट्रैक्शंस ज्यादा आते हैं, स्पेशली टीन एज में. सो व्हाट आई समटाइम्स बिगिन व्हेन आई सी दैट डिस्ट्रैक्शन, माय क्लास बिगिंस विद दैट everybody is closing their eyes.
Okay.
At times we are just simply closing our eyes. Maybe I am saying something in the background to them to imagine, but at the same time there are times when I'm playing a very light music for them.
Okay.
To only focus on certain thing. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैंने कोई लाइट सी जंगल थीम का म्यूजिक चला दिया, आई माइट आस्क देम टू ओनली फोकस ऑन द साउंड ऑफ द बर्ड्स इन देयर, राइट? सो आई हैव यूज्ड दैट टेक्निक एंड 100% नहीं, एटलीस्ट 30-40% तो यू गेट अ रिजल्ट आउट ऑफ इट. Students are able to focus. In my own student life also, I have done that. When I used to be very badly distracted, I used to play the song which was my favorite, and it helped me. Because maybe मेरा neurological cycle वैसे चल रहा था.
Right. So just now you told you also listen songs when you were in your student life. So may I know what
Yes.
type of generally music you listen nowadays? Like now, I can say.
Right. So I like more of the Sufi kind of music. That is my one go. And of course, when I'm in a very good mood and I'm working on something which requires a lot of my energy, whether professional task or personal, then I try to listen to more of the music which is peppy numbers, thode se party numbers. That is what I do then.
Okay. So nowadays we have a new genre of music which we call generally as rap. So generally जब रैप कॉन्सर्ट्स होते हैं, लाइव कॉन्सर्ट्स होते हैं, तो वहाँ पे 90-95% जो गैदरिंग होती है वो तो यूथ की होती है. So do you
Yes.
think when youths are now, the youth are like more involved in rap kind of music. So do you think that listening rap each and every time is good for them?
Okay, first thing, rap is something which I am not very fond of.
Okay.
But I also know at the same time that rap music, when created, created with that kind of depth, understanding, it is also a very good way of communicating your ideas, your expressions to the world. I know in general music itself is a language of expression. You can express, right? But जब आप rap की बात करते हैं, तो especially when you're talking about the social issues that are coming up, or you want to create awareness in the public, I think वहाँ पे वो बहुत अच्छे से workout करता है. And now large segment, as you said rightly, the youth is attracted to it. Moreover, there are also youngsters who are, I think, doing brilliantly well when it comes to writing the rap songs, especially college fest वगैरह में आप ये notice करेंगे.
Right.
So I think it is working out, but again, it's a segment, and एक perspective होता है. So जब like-minded लोग मिल जाते हैं, तो आप वो काम कर भी लेंगे और आप उसको enjoy भी कर. That's the thing.
Okay, so may I know who is your favorite singer in Bollywood?
Arijit Singh is my favorite one.
Okay. And like you listen English songs also, ma'am?
Sorry?
You listen English songs also, Hollywood songs?
English are very minimal. That too, जो hype होके आए हैं एक आधी वो. But yes, I still listen to the one that is Titanic one, and Celine Dion के एक दो जो famous है. Those are the ones which I still listen. But not hardcore into Hollywood, yeah.
Okay. So apart from like Bollywood songs, other language songs also you listen, ma'am?
Yeah, Marathi songs. I understand Marathi, and of course Punjabi. So Punjabi may be again not the very high tone and party ones, but yes, the ones which are a little slow, and mostly those are the, I think, the romantic kind of songs that I like.
Okay, so what I can say is like you are more likely to listen slow and calm music type of person.
Yes, yes, that's true. Yes.
So now moving from kids towards adults. Adults
Right.
means like the working professionals who are like working whether in private or public sector, or they are working in schools or anywhere. Each and everyone is dealing with stress. Stress can be related with their workplace also as well as with their personal life. Each and everyone has their own stress. So
Right.
do you think that music also plays an important role in maintaining the stress level of these working professionals?
It does. It totally does. Totally does. Because see, fill up a complete room of people who are working. ऑफिस हो, स्कूल हो, कोई भी जगह हो, आप उनको एक रूम में बीच में आकर के आप एक गिटारिस्ट को या कोई किसी को माइक लेके आप खड़ा कर दीजिए, एंड यू सी हाउ द एटमॉस्फेयर देयर चेंजेस.
Right.
It completely changes, because see, music is something where you'll definitely declutter your mind
Yeah.
first. Second, कहीं ना कहीं आप किसी सिचुएशन से, किसी पर्सन से आप कनेक्ट करके you'll just go with the flow at that time. So it definitely works out 100%.
Okay, so what do you think like these working professionals involve themselves with music? Because you like each and everyone is dealing with office work or school work. So whenever they come home, they are completely exhausted. So how do you think they can involve themselves with music in this very hectic and tight routine?
See, okay, one thing is to listening to music, I think that now to we all of us, I also do that, but मैं थोड़ा limit करने की कोशिश करती हूँ with the earphones.
Okay.
What I like is to play it, at least at a sound which is audible without the earphones. शायद आसपास के लोगों को disturb ना हो तो चलता जाए. So I think that is one thing, and this can be done, easily when you are maybe preparing a cup of tea for yourself. घर आने के बाद. It's just do 10 minutes, but वो माहौल चेंज कर देते हैं. इट डिक्लटर्स योर माइंड, एंड आप एक डिफरेंट जोन में धीरे धीरे आने लग जाते हैं. दैट इज वन थिंग. सेकेंड इज, इफ समबडी इज रियली इंटरेस्टेड एंड दे रियलाइज दैट मे बी म्यूजिक इज देयर काइंड ऑफ थेरेपी, because it is a therapy at the end. So उसमें फिर then it is कि आपको थोड़े से as an individual you'll have to make out some time throughout the week or over the weekend to maybe enroll yourself for a class इंस्ट्रूमेंट के लिए, वोकल्स के लिए, या आप ऑलरेडी अगर कुछ प्ले करते हैं तो आप सेल्फ एनहांस करिए. आजकल तो यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एप्स, वीडियोस वेयर यू कैन अपस्किल योरसेल्फ बाय लुकिंग एट देम, राइट? बट आई थिंक वो पहले सेल्फ रियलाइज करना ज्यादा जरूरी है इस चीज को.
Okay, so just now you told that they can enroll themselves also. So on the same thing, I would like to ask you, in your childhood, you were enrolled with tabla. So do you still think that you want to learn any instrument? It can be tabla or any other?
I would definitely go ahead with tabla because I actually I enjoy the sound of tabla a lot. I connect with it a lot. मुझे बहुत पसंद है तबला का रिदम. तो I think if I really get a chance, and मैंने कई बार सोचा भी है, but I know that things don't always work out the same way. But if that happens, then I would definitely love to enroll for that, because it involves a lot of focus also.
Yes.
So it is helpful at the end.
Okay, so ma'am, what suggestions you want to give to those working professionals who want to learn any instrument or vocals in their working life?
I would definitely say that, see, first thing is enjoy it. Enjoy, this thought also coming to your mind, because we start feeling guilty also that हम काम खत्म करके आए हैं, अब again we are trying to do something which doesn't involve my family. It just involves me, and it is completely okay to enjoy that thought. And once you enjoy that thought, then I think you should make a decision that okay, how I want to go ahead with it. Don't take too much of stress again कि कहाँ क्लास ढूंढूं, कैसे एनरोल करूं, but just enjoy with the little things first, right? So music can be started as good as you humming it and you listening to something.
Exactly.
So that's the first effort to be taken up.
Okay. And what suggestions you want to give to the young learners who want to start their music journey?
That explore everything. Explore everything. Just see that music is a playground, and you are touching each and everything, and you are trying to see that okay, what is it like? Is it a slide? Is it a swing? क्या है वो? How does it function? And then you understand कि क्या उसका यूसेज है, इज इट रियली मेड फॉर मी, एम आई समवन हु इज गोइंग टू एंजॉय इट और नॉट. सो एक्सप्लोर एवरीथिंग.
Okay. So thanks a lot, ma'am, for accepting invitation and for sharing your valuable insights with us.
My pleasure. Thank you once again for thinking of me to joining you here, and thank you very much. Have a lovely day ahead.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, ma'am.
Jai Hind. Yeah.
For more details, visit www.88studiolko.com.